Welcome to our Rolling Strong video library, a series designed to help you maintain a better life on the road.
Hello, I'm Christy Coughlin, Wellness Coach with Rolling Strong. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Share it with others, subscribe to the Rolling Strong YouTube channel, and click on the bell for notifications. Flexibility training is an important part of a complete fitness routine, along with cardiovascular and strength training. A recent study found that stretching can improve blood flow, lower blood pressure, and decrease stiffness in arteries. This may translate to a lower risk of heart attack and stroke. Flexibility training, like stretching or yoga, has so many other benefits. It reduces muscle tension, decreases your risk of injury, improves the ability to do ADLs or activities of daily living, helps alleviate pain, reduces stress, and accelerates your recovery after workouts. Add stretching after workouts or at the end of the day when muscles are warm. Never stretch a cold muscle. You could injure it. Hold stretches for 10 to 30 seconds while you take deep, relaxing breaths. Stretches should feel good, never painful. I'd like to show you a seated stretching routine that you can do in your truck or while you're waiting somewhere. All you need is a chair. So find a chair and let's try it out. Let's start with some upper body stretches. First, we're gonna reach our left hand down to the side of the chair and reach overhead with your right arm. Get a nice stretch along the right side of your body. Again, we're holding stretches for 10 to 30 seconds with some nice deep breaths. Switch to the other side. Back to center, reach your right arm up, bend it back behind your head, grab your elbow, and stretch that tricep on your right arm. Make sure you have a nice upright posture during these stretches. Switch sides, left arm up, bend it back behind you, grab your elbow, stretching that tricep. Release that down, right arm comes across your chest. And then the left arm across your chest. Arms are at your side. You're going to look to the right. Try to relax your shoulders down so you get a stretch in your neck. Slowly come through center to the other side. Again, relax that right shoulder. Don't want tension there. And back to center. We're going to do a seated twist. So you're going to have your right hand on the outside of your left knee and twist to the left. Slowly through center to the other side. Back to center, let's do some lower body stretches. Your right knee is going to come into your chest. Again, nice upright posture. And then you're going to pull that right knee across your body. Switch legs, left knee in, and then cross it to the other side. Extend your right leg out in front of you and lean forward, getting into your hamstring. And then the other side. Toes are up. Cross your right ankle on your left knee. Upright posture, you can put a little pressure on your knee if that feels good. This stretches your outer hip, it feels great. Some of you might be up here, that's okay. Wherever you feel a nice gentle stretch. Again, remember this should never be painful. And then switch sides. Left ankle on your right knee, stretching out that hip. And you can ease over to one side of the chair, grab your leg and get a quad stretch and a front of your hip stretch. Switch sides, grab that right foot, stretch out your quad and the front of your right hip. And then last but not least, we're going to do a forward fold. Just put your body on top of your legs. So rolling forward. And then roll back up. Hopefully you feel a lot more comfortable in your skin if you include some flexibility training in your daily routine. It's going to help both your physical and your mental health. This is Christy Coughlin, Wellness Coach with Rolling Strong.
Look to more Rolling Strong videos providing insights and tips dedicated to a healthier life on the road.